Okay, I thought I'd do a little video. This is on my M40G, and I'm just engraving a wine glass for a wedding. It's a slow process. And here's what I got on the screen. Close this window out here. So it's going to be on the wine glass. I was just making a sample. This is me and my wife's wedding. Just to go on the shelf of what we can do. Anyways, pretty cool machine. And this will do a lot. This machine is called the M40G. So this has a deep vise. See these pins here? So if you take off the rotary cones, you could clamp in pocket watches. There's all kinds of clamps for it. Knives. You could put a table on like this M40. See how this has the sticky table on? So if you're doing like trophy work, this will stick to it as it engraves, so you don't have to like clamp it. So you just put your thing up here. Boom. If you're doing plastics, there's a vacuum system here that I just plug in right there, like that. And I put plastic cutters in, which my plastic cutters are down here, all my different sizes. And then I keep my metal cutters right there for doing metal. So this is called the M40. And this is called the M40G, which stands for gift. And then over behind me, this is our engraving shop. This is my laser. And pretty much what I use this for is any type of wood plaques. It'll do plastics good if I have to cut out, because this is a real large table. So if I have to cut out big pieces of plastic or anything, it'll engrave the plastic. It does a good job. You buy engravable metals that are designed for the laser, so we buy them both, our metal selections over there. And then if we go into the shop, I'll show you my one other engraver. This is also a locksmith shop too, but over here we have, this is our Apex. And actually I got a mess right here because I'm working on a big project. But so this has a large rotary, and this can do like the real large cups, the mugs, the stainless steel mugs, and this is also a diamond engraver too. Very, very, very nice machine, and that's that machine there. All right, Steve from Steve's Locksmith Trophy and Engraving signing off.